Customer states coolant leaking out of the bottom of the car, and the car is smoking. Just popped the hood. See, there's coolant all over the place. Noticed first broken coolant hose. This is on a BMW 330 E36 E46 E36. Not sure. It's a 330i, so it's not an M, but anyway, straight six inline engine, no belts, both broke. And the craziest part, the idler pulley melted. Looks like the coolant got on it, must have melted it. Kind of crazy. So 2 serpentine belts, upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, idler pulley, no tensioners, decline tensioners. To do this, there are this tensioner here to take off this belt, and there's a tensioner down there. There's 2 belts, one for the alternator, water pump, and power steering, and then the other one is for the AC itself. Just so there's 2 belts. They both run separately. No longer leaking coolant. Both belts on. All good.